Howdy. This PVC pipe shattered during our freeze this past winter, but honestly, the old setup was really annoying. So today, I'm going to replace it with a quick connect solution that's going to make my backwashing a lot easier. Here you can see how the pipe was previously attached to the filter and where it shattered. And you can also see where our flat hose was hooked up to it, and it just was constantly in the way, and it never allowed for us to fully get all the water out of the pipe. So that's why the freeze damaged this whole section. For today's job, I got a couple of pieces of Schedule 40, the 2 and 1.5 inch, the cement, my multi-tool saw, elbow, a couple other things, but really the big call out here is the PVC union. This is what's going to enable us to perform a quick connect or disconnect with the flat hose from the backwash pipe. First, I'm removing the damaged pipe from the assembly. Here you can see just how bad the damage was and how far up the crack went on the vertical pipe. Before you add any cement to your pipes, you want to dry fit them and make sure that all the connections work well with your assembly. For all the pipe fitting today, I'm using the PVC primer as well as the clear PVC cement. It's really important to let the cement dry overnight or maybe even a more extended period of time, because these pipes can reach upwards of 40 psi, and you want to make sure that that connection is really secure before testing it out. For the flat hose, I'm just using a standard hose clamp to attach it to the PVC union section. Here's a quick clip of just how easy it is to attach the flat hose whenever I'm ready to do a backwash. And now that we've let the cement cure overnight, we're going to test it out using the backwash function. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll catch you in the next one.